Hey, good day, guys. This is Chibuzo Agowa, and once again, you're welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide your friends list on Facebook, and we shall be using the desktop version. Yes, that's what I'll be using in this video. But if you're saying, hey, Chibuzo, I own a mobile device and I would like you to show us how to do it using the Facebook app. So don't worry, my next video I'll be putting up on this channel will be dedicated for especially for those that are using the mobile app. That's I'll be using how to hide it, showing you how to hide your friends list on Facebook using the mobile version. So if you don't want to miss that video, then you can simply hit subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up that video. You are doing that not just because of that video, but there are so many tutorial videos you find on this channel that are quite beneficial for you. So you can easily go to the playlist and watch our various videos. And hey, once you've done that, you're automatically welcome to the family of this channel. So now let's get straight down to business. And I shall be moving to my Facebook account. That's what I'll be using to show you how you can easily do that. Let me connect to the internet since my internet tripped up. So now let's get started. Now the first thing you do is to open your Facebook just like this is my that Facebook channel. That's your personal Facebook, not a page, your Facebook timeline, your personal account. So now you now navigate to where you have your icon at the right top. You see where you have your icon. You tap on your icon. Then the next thing you'll see settings and privacy. Yes, you see that in the drop down menu. So you click on settings and privacy. So this will now pop up. So the next thing you click on is settings. A whole new window will now open. So now you now see, yes, just to confirm, yes, this is my name, Chibuzo Agowa. Yes, this I'm using my personal channel and show you how to do this. Now the next thing you now click once this page opens is you click on privacy. So this whole new menu that have lots of settings you can easily edit will now pop up. Now you scroll down a little bit, to the section that says how people find and contact you. This is the section I'm talking about. So if you see there are various edits you can make. Now go down a little bit, you see who can see your friends list. Yes, this is what we are looking for. We want to edit in this video. So now you now navigate to the portion that says edit. Yes, who can see your friends list, straight to the right. Then you click on edit. Then the whole menu will pop up. You see initially mine is on public, which means everybody can see my friends list. But yes, you will hide to maybe have a personal reasons whereby you want to like hide your friends list from your maybe your friends on Facebook or maybe the public from seeing it. You have a personal reasons, you know why. So if that's best for you, then you can easily choose only me. You see, you can choose, you can make it public just like mine is. You can make it visible to your friends alone, to friends, except then you choose a particular friend that you don't want to see the friends list. So there are lots of options. You can choose specific friends. Now if you want you yourself to only see your friends list and make it not to be visible to anybody, being the public or maybe those that are also your friends on Facebook, then you can simply choose only me. So once you've selected this option, there's nothing else you will do. And you notice that you can easily test run it using maybe someone that's already a friends list on your Facebook account, check if it works. So once you've selected that, there's nothing else you can do. So I've switched it to only me, which means only myself can easily view this. So with that simple and short, yes, we've come to the end of this YouTube video tutorial video in this section. Still yet, if you're still not hit the subscribe button, kindly hit the subscribe button. Like I said earlier on, and turn on the bell notification. Then if you find this video informative or good enough, kindly give it a thumbs up because it actually makes the YouTube algorithm to push it out for people like you who wants to learn this step to see them. So if you still have a question, you can go to the comment section and ask a question and I will attend to them speedily. So having done that, we've come to the end of this video, and yes, anticipate for the next video. Just like I said, I'll be showing you how to hide your friends list on Facebook, but this time around we shall be using the mobile version. So we've come to the end of this video. Chibuzo Agowa remains my name. I'm Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So bye bye for now.